Okay, happy streaming. Ay, magkilala kang singer na Zephanie. Zephanie? Yung sa ano? Idol Philippines. Sasabayan ng kape ang live mo. Yun. Let's go. Wala. Good morning. Yes, here's your request. I need a lot of things. I can get by with nothing. But all the blessings life can bring, I've always needed something. But I've got all I want when it comes to loving you. You're my only reason. You're my only truth. I need you. There's a freedom in your arms, carries me through, and I need you. Hey, road to second box, everyone, let's go. You're the hope that moves me to courage again, oh yeah. You're the love that rescues me when the cold winds rage. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms, carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms, carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. Thank you so much. John Peter. Salamat po. Thank you, everyone. Shout out to all my foreign friends is watching right now. Thank you, everyone. Let me just sing Filipino song. Okay, later I will sing English again. You're really a star, agency. What is this? Not that one. Big fan. Thank you, Garang David, Mr. Kan. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo mapago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hanggang yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buko.
Mamahalin mo pa ba ako kahit maputi na yung mga buhok ko?
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Come on. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo. Sige na. Ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Thank you so much. Boss John! Oh my gosh, Boss Johnny, thank you. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako. Ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. O kahit maputi na ang, kahit maputi, kahit maputi na ang buhok mo. Buhok nyo. Okay, mauuna ka na. Sure. Thank you so much. Only love can sing. Boss Johnny, thank you sa gift. Oh, thank you po.